Today we're making a delicious cottage cheesecake, moist, fluffy, and delicious. The ingredients list is available in the description on my profile. Please subscribe to my channel. All the ingredients should be at room temperature. Prepare 200 grams of butter, a cup of sugar, 250 milliliter cups, and mix everything together. Then add 4 eggs that are at room temperature, one after the other. 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest, 250 grams of cottage cheese. I used semi-skimmed ground cottage cheese and mix the whole time. Then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder mixed with 2 cups of wheat flour. Mix everything until the ingredients are combined. The batter will be very thick. Put the whole thing into a loaf pan lined with baking paper. It's best to spread it out and put it in a preheated oven to a temperature of 180 degrees. Bake for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. When it's ready, frost or powder it, and it's ready to eat. Make sure to try it out. The ingredients list is available in the profile description. I invite you to watch my next videos. Best wishes.